Hi, it's Kevin Bates here, and video 4 and the final video on automated market makers, because I think we're all starting to get a little bit bored of this topic now. And here I want to look at the idea of chaining AMMs and of AMM factories. So what could they be? Well, the first one concerns what happens if you have your chocolate vending machine and what you want to do is you want to trade chocolate for bubble gum. Now, what you would normally have to do in the real world is you would feed your chocolate into the vending machine and get euros out, and then you would go to the machine next door, put your euros in and get bubblegum out. So then you have effectively traded chocolate for bubblegum. But in the decentralized application world, that's actually done for you. When you look at something like Uniswap, there are lots and lots of different AMMs out there handling Ether token pairs. And if you want to trade one token for another one, the system neatly does that for you. You don't even know that it's going on in the background. It looks like there is an exchange between any two tokens that are supported by the Uniswap system. But what happens in the background is it does the conversion for you and finds the other AMM and does the trade for you there. However, for you it looks like you've just done the exchange immediately. So I thought that was quite kind of neat. And the second thing I mentioned was AMM factories. Now, the protocol actually contains, and the DApp actually contains the option for somebody to trigger part of the contract to create more and more of these AMMs. If you create a new token and you issue it on Ethereum, you can actually go in and pay the gas costs in order to launch yet another AMM that pairs your token with Ether. And again, I thought that was very clever. In programming, these things are called factories, where you have a piece of code that makes copies of something that are slightly different but fundamentally the same in structure. And the various automated market maker software out there actually supports this functionality. So two little neat observations about how this ecosystem works. I hope that was interesting to you and that you now have a better understanding from a technical sense of what is going on there. What I would love is if people with market or finance knowledge could actually maybe make some comments about how this relates to the real world finance markets. What kind of similarities in structure do you see there? What kind of problems do you see here? Very much looking forward to your comments. That's it for today. Bye for now.